Hello everyone, welcome back to SK Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. First I will take this as a base. The base dimension is 88 by 110, thickness is 15 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the updates. Select extrude, select the top plane. Create one circle first, give the dimension 44, here to here 88 mm, give the vertical constraint, next select line, you can do this mirror also. Now give the dimensions 110 and this is 44 mm. 44, this is 110. So here to here can give 55 mm. So next there is a one slot 20 diameter and 20 length. So trim this circle, create here 2-point slot, give the dimensions R10 and this length is 20 mm. Next there is a fillets. The fillet dimension not there, we can give approximately. Just increase this. Okay. Select fillet again, give the dimension 5 mm. Okay. Next you can see there is a circles, dia 20 and dia 12. The pitch is 16 and 80 mm. (20) 12 mm. So this dimension is 16, here to here 40 mm. So mirror these circles. Mirror entities, mirror about, center line, apply. So now sketch is fully defined, friends. Finish sketch. First select this face, thickness is 15 mm. Next again select sketch, extrude these circles. This thickness is 20 mm. So now base is created. The next there is a one flange is there. For that select here right plane, sketch. For normal we can press Ctrl 8, friends. select line, create one rough sketch, give the dimensions, select this line first, give the horizontal constraint. The height is 50 mm, this length is 85 plus 13, here to here 85, this is 13 mm, this height is 50, this is also 13, this height is 32 plus 25, 57 mm. So that's it, finish sketch, extrude, here select mid plane, so length is 50 mm. Next there is a pillets, the pillet dimension not mentioned, we can give approximately. Next select pillet again 25, okay. Next here there is a one rib 50 and 25 height, right plane sketch, create one line, give the dimensions, here to here 50, actually some dimensions has missed here, okay, this height is 45 mm, edit this sketch, this is 50 plus 13, finish sketch. Now select the right plane, sketch, create line, give the dimension, here to here 50, next here to here 25 mm. So finish sketch, select rib here, the thickness of the rib is 8 mm, reverse the direction, okay. Next, select the fillet, give the dimension 5 mm. Next, here there is a one hole, dia 15 mm. So finish sketch, extruded cut. We can do this with the hole wizard option also. Already I have explained in the previous classes. Control 7. I hope all the features are completed, friends. So here there is a fillets. If anything is missing, please leave the comment below, friends. Next, here there is a SKCAD text is there, so that we can do. Select this face, sketch, select here text, just write the name SK, enter CAD. So here we can change the dimension and font type also. Next, so if you want, you can change this type also. So I will go as it is. So that's finish sketch. Here you need to select finish sketch. Here select the wrap, select this face. So height we can give how much you want. I will give 3 mm. So you can see. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session, and also I'm requesting, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Assign the material, friends. Steel, polished steel. Go to edit appearances. You can assign the color here. So thanks for watching this session, friends. We'll see you in the next session.